Hello, everyone. Is the real estate market about ready to crash? And from my perspective, from my fund of knowledge, absolutely not. So right now it's year 2020, and the Federal Reserve earlier this month or earlier this year, a few months ago, lowered the interest rates back down to 0%. And for what I can see is pretty much in most states or every state, the real estate market is kind of going crazy. People are sending, offers in that are over the asking price, and there's kind of a little bit of bidding wars and driving the prices up pretty substantially, pretty quickly. It seems like we've had a great bull market in real estate, a good run up the last 10 years from the last real estate crash in 2017, 2018, and they're pretty high right now, at least for most people. That's the way we think about it. That's the way we kind of are seeing it in most states, and does not mean that there's any chance of the crash, or they're going to drop 40-50% right now. Historically, as the Fed has lowered the interest rates to zero, it creates more money supply, easier for people to get loans, and it just keeps the real estate market going higher and higher. Also, the real estate market, it also kind of goes in 26 year cycles, 26, 30-year cycles. If you go back and do some of the history and the studying of real estate market and the cycles in real estate, it's a really long cycle and how long they go up for, and then they may go down a little bit for a year or two, like we experienced back in the 2008 2009 real estate crash. But this time, it's a really small recession, only a month or two, and it's really looking like, to me, it's bouncing back quick, and the real estate prices are very sustainable, continuing to go up for at least another 10 years before they go down again. And when they go down, it's probably that 30%, 40%, but the appreciation on the way up is ridiculous. You make so much money buying and holding real estate, just like buying and holding stock. So if you've been thinking about buying real estate, now is a great time. With the interest rates back down to 0%, you can lock in a lower monthly payment than you could 6 months ago or a year ago. So with a lower monthly payment and being able to hold on to it for the next 10 years, 15 years, you're going to make a lot of money in real estate appreciation or real estate equity. And then you can decide if you want to sell it and do something else with that equity, or move all that equity into a new house or a different house, or just hang on to it as your net worth continues to rise. So I absolutely do not see any type of a real estate crash in 2020 or 21 or 22, not anytime soon at all. I just see it continuing to go up and up and up, and it's mostly based off the long-term real estate trends, as real estate does go in those long-term cycles of at least 20, I want to say 25 to 30 years, 26 years, something like that, as far as how long we're in a bull market for. So enjoy the ride and expect higher prices to really come to every state and every town wherever you're at. So thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe, ring the bell button if you guys want to see any more videos that I make, and leave me some comments, any suggestions you guys have of videos that you'd like me to make, or questions you have. Go ahead and leave them below in your suggestions. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.